Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with RealtyMogul for debt investments and returns, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the RealtyMogul website. Once on the home page, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin your registration. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Set a secure password for your new account. After filling in the necessary information, click on Create Account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from RealtyMogul. Open the verification email and follow the link to confirm your account. Return to the RealtyMogul website and log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section on the main menu. Within the Invest section, look for options related to debt investments. Explore the available debt investment opportunities presented. Click on the investment that interests you to view more details. Review the investment specifics, including terms, projected returns, and risks. If satisfied with the details, proceed by clicking on the Invest Now button. You will be prompted to complete your investor profile if you haven't done so. Fill out the required investor profile information accurately. After completing your profile, return to the debt investment page. Select the amount you wish to invest in the chosen opportunity. Review the summary of your investment decision. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking on the Confirm Investment button. You may need to provide additional financial information for compliance. Fill in any required forms or disclosures as prompted. Once completed, finalize your investment by confirming your choices. You should receive a confirmation of your investment via email. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your investment performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.